how to use Adobe Photoshop mobile app for beginners. So let's get started. Adobe Photoshop has a mobile app called Photoshop Express, designed for quick and easy photo editing on the go. This guide will help you get started with editing image and use the key features. So let's get started. Let's start with the to download and install of the app. So go to your Android. If you're using Android, go to your Google Play Store, then type in the Photoshop Express or Photoshop or out of Photoshop using the search bar. Then you can easily install it on your phone. Then with his iPhone, just go to your Apple Store, then search the word out of Photoshop, then quickly install it on your device. Then after that, tap and install the app. Then once the app is installed on your phone, just tap and open it. Then after that, sign in with your Adobe or you can use Google, you can use Photo, or you can use Facebook, or probably can use your Apple account if you want. Then here's a tip: the app is free but offer features with subscription, so it is not completely free. Keep that in mind. So on the step 2, you have to import and open a photo. So to do that, tap the plus icon and select image from your phone gallery. Then choose a photo you want to edit. Then the photo will open in the editor with tools display at the bottom. Then here's another feature or another tip: you can use the camera features to take a new photo and edit instantly. You understand? You don't have to pick. If you don't have any photos that you want to edit, you can simply take a picture straightforward from the app and edit right in the app. And also on the step 3, basic photo editing. So you can simply crop and rotate and even adjust the size, straighten and or rotate your image. You can also use the auto enhance, which is to tap auto to let the Photoshop adjust the brightness and contrast for you. And also you can apply pre-made color filters to change the mode of the photo. And also you can adjust the tweak brightness, contrast, shadow, and the saturation, which is the adjustment or a manual tweak if you want. And here's another tip: swipe left/right to on a slider for a precise control. Then on the step 4, you can retouch or remove object, which is for premium users. So hilltop, remove the blemishes spot or unwanted object from the photo. So just the tools, which use the smooth tools, which is the soften skin and remove the wrinkles. You can also use the blur tools to add background blur to create a professional look. And here's another step: zoom in while using the retouch tools for better accuracy. Then on step 5, you can simply add text, stickers, and an overlay. So to do that, add the text with a different font, color, and styles. Then you can choose for font stickers or add a frame around your photo. You can also use the double exposure and overlay effect to mix image. And here's another tips: adjust the opacity of the text or stickers for more natural look. Now on the step 6, save and share your edited photo. So once done, tap the export or save button, then choose the JPEG or PNG format for saving. You can also share directly to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok or Twitter, or even Facebook if you want. And here's another tips: use the high quality, for example HD settings when saving to avoid losing image quality. And that's a simple way to use Adobe Photoshop on mobile. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.